Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your brightness not working after a Windows 11 update, in this video I will show you how to fix it in Windows 11. The first method you can try is restart your laptop and check. In the next method, we are going to restart a graphics driver. For this, you have to press this window key, control key, shift key and this B button. So you have to press all the 4 keys together. So this will restart graphics driver. But if you are still getting the same issue, in the next method, we are going to update display driver. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager, click on it. Now click on this option display adapters, expand this option. Now you have to right click on your graphic driver, right click on it, then click on update driver, click on it. Then click on this option search automatically, click on it. So this will update your display driver. After that, click on close, cut this window and then restart your laptop and check. The next method you can try is rollback driver. If brightness stopped working right after an update, then you can use this method, rollback driver. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager, click on it. Click on this option display adapters, expand this option. Now you have to right click on your graphic driver, then click on properties, then click on this driver tab. After that, you have to click on this option rollback driver. So click on this option and after that restart your laptop. But if the rollback driver option is not available, don't worry, just move on to the next method. In the next method, we are going to check monitor driver. For this, you have to again open device manager. After that, you have to click on this option monitors. Now you have to enable your monitor driver. So right click on it, then click on enable device. And also update this driver. So right click on it, and then click on update driver. Then click on search automatically. So this will update your driver as well. Click on close, cut this window and then restart your laptop. The next method you can try is check Windows update. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side, click on Windows update. On the right side, click on check for updates. So update your operating system. After that, restart your laptop and check. The last method you can try is system restore. If you have tried all the methods and are still facing the same issue, then try this last method. For this, you have to first open control panel. In this view by option, select large icons, then click on this recovery option. Then click on this option open system restore, click on it. Then click on next. Now choose a restore point from the date when your brightness was working properly. Then click on next. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.